Hey there, if your app store isn't opening, crashing, or keeps closing on your iPhone, don't stress, I've got some handy fixes to get things back on track. So let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Force close and reopen the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double-click the Home button if your iPhone has one. Swipe up on the App Store card to force close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Now open the App Store again and check if the problem is resolved. Solution 2. Free up storage space. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Check how much storage is available if you're low on space. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos to make room. Once you've cleared some space, try opening the App Store again. Solution 3. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open Settings, then tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone, sign back in with your Apple ID, and see if the App Store is working properly now. Solution 4. Adjust App Store settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap App Store. Next, make sure to enable these 3 settings: App Downloads, App Updates, In-App Content. Then scroll down and turn off Offload Unused Apps. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Then scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so make sure you have those delete details handy. After the reset, connect your Wi-Fi network and try opening the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix issues with the App Store not opening, crashing, or closing automatically on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked out for you.